Hey friends, welcome back to Crystal's Intuition. Crystal Loves Tarot. Facebook, TikTok, wherever you find this video. Hey guys, I'm back again to do an unboxing for a cute little tarot deck that I received as a gift from a loved one. I started to peel it off with my fingernails, but decided I would use this beautiful amethyst dagger letter opener that I made. Such a cute little box that it comes in. Thank you so much for joining me as I unbox and review this cute little deck. It is called Cat Tarot. Comes in this cute little box. So this is a well, that's the name of the makers, and it says that on the top as well. And Cat Tarot, super cute box. This is a two-piece box. The top opens like that. It's white inside. All right. Dropping them already. Oh, comes with a cute little guidebook. So nice sturdy box. Wow. It's like double insulated. Super nice box. Cute little guidebook. Oh, it's fully colored. The guidebook comes with images of the cards. So it's got a table of contents with the minor, major arcana, and then it goes into the cards. So it features a small picture of the card, a whether it's a yes or a no card underneath of the picture, then a upright meaning, and then or a description of the picture meaning, and then it's got the keywords in upright and reversal. So all the info is there. Love that. So, and then it gives the yes, no, maybe underneath of the card for the quick reads. So not a huge amount of information. I don't see any spreads or anything like that. This is just a very basic little guidebook. All you need really though, right? All right, let's check out these beautiful cards. So they have a really cool optical effect on the gilding. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Let's check out the cardstock. Okay, so they are a semi-gloss. They do have a bit of a shine. They are, I want to say, midline for cardstock. So, but they do have a very smooth feel to them, which I do love. Here's what the backs look like. So it's like polka dots. So it's like a kind of a slate blue color and with like colorful little polka dots. Super cute. That's what cats like to play with, is little fuzzy balls and stuff. That's kind of what that reminds me of, but how cute is that? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at these. I don't have much to say. There's nothing about the creator. They don't give any hints, so I imagine that this is just an AI generated deck with no real spiritual work kind of put behind it, if that makes sense. So a lot of times the decks that come into my life have really like deep meaning for the creator themselves, or I'm drawn to them for that specific reason. A lot of times the decks that find their way into my life like this really don't have like a specific purpose other than just fun. So this is just a very fun little deck, and just interested to see how I connect to the cards as we go through and look at the images. So let's go ahead and do that now, and we're going to start with the major arcana and the Fool card. Oh, he's adorable. A kitty cat with a kitty cat. And a magician. So they do have a very, very skinny little border around them. They've got the number on the top, and they've got the title at the bottom. The High Priestess. So cute and pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at the Empress. Gorge. Look at her outfit. Wow. The Emperor, look at him in his royal purple though. Ooh, the Hierophant looking quite dignified. Wow. The Lovers. So sweet. Ooh, the Chariot. Interesting and cute. Strength. Look at a Strength card. Look at that. Beautiful long-haired yellow tabby like kitty. 9. We've got the Hermit. And we've got the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, all the zodiacs. All the zodiacs. Love it. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then we've got Justice. This is my card. Beautiful. This is Libra energy, the Justice card. I'm Libra. Then we've got the Hanged Man. Oh, he's got little birds around him. The Death card. Well, it's a cute Death card. Ooh, and then we've got the Temperance card. Beautiful. So gorgeous. These are adorable. And the Devil card. Look at the Devil card. I've never seen a more beautiful Devil card. Wow. And the Tower. Look at how the Tower has a portal, cloud portal around it. Interesting. The Star is beautiful. The Moon. Beautiful. The Sun. Gorgeous. I love it. Got Judgment. Look at the face in the sun and look at behind me. What? In the world. Beautiful major arcana. What a beautiful major arcana. Gorgeous. Okay, now let's look at the minor arcana. Okay, starting with the Suit of Wands. We've got the Ace. 2. 3. Oh. 4. 5. Beautiful. 6. 7. Look at that. So cute. 8. 9. Oh. 10. These just make me smile. They are so cute. We've got our Page. Our Knight. Oh. Look at our little Queen with the flowers. Oh my gosh. And our King. Oh, yes. Very prestigious. Okay, next we've got the Cups. Oh my soul. Look at that. We've got the Ace. Oh my gosh, the colors are beautiful. 3 of Cups. 4 of Cups. How cute. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups. 8. They're so cute. 9. Oh, look at the smile. 10. That's wishes fulfilled. We've got our Page of Cups. So cute. The kitty's holding the cup. Our Knight of Cups. The Queen. Oh, she's adorable. Oop. The Queen and the King. How cute. Okay, next we've got the swords. Okay, so there's our truth sword holder there. The Ace. We've got 1. Wait. Sorry, 2. That's 2. 3. Ooh, 4 of Swords. Oh, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 of Swords. Look how beautiful. And we've got our Page of Swords. Cool. Our Knight. Ooh, look at our Queen. And the King. He just looks like a king in the face, doesn't he? Okay, and the last is the Pentacles. So we've got our Ace of Pentacles. Cute. 2. 3. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. 4. 5. Look at the eyes. 6. Ooh. 7. 8. How cute. Oh. 9. 10. Greedy kitty. And we've got our Page. Our Knight. Beautiful. Our Queen. And wow, look at that King. Our King. Gorgeous. Adorable. So adorable. All right. Let's ask the infinite source and our angels and ancestors and our guardians and protectors, our team. Let's ask our team to send us a message through this cute little deck. What message can I share with the evolving collective? Asking my team, only beings of love and light, with angelic protection, can I please get the message for evolving collective? Using this beautiful deck, I'm being told I need to shuffle. They shuffle very well. Come together like a dream. They're very smooth. Alright. Look at this though. Is that not the coolest? Alright. Okay, what message can I share for the evolving collective today? Ooh, asking for 3 cards, starting with the Magician. This is telling me that we are co-creators. Ooh, now the Hanged Man. This is 2 major arcanas. 2 major arcanas. One more, please. Can I have one more? So we are co-creators. We are the designers of our own life. We are absolutely the ones who have the ability to turn our dreams into reality. We are the ones who are in control of that. And then the Hangman card coming in to say that we need to start looking at things from another perspective, shift the way we're viewing, looking at things, the way we're absorbing information, but there needs to be a shift in how we absorb the higher knowing, the higher knowledge, and that we are the ones in control of that. This is going to bring about 9 of Pentacles, just all of your wishes coming true. So, message from Spirit: you are in control of your destiny. Look at things from all different perspectives. Take the emotion out of it and look at from that perspective coming through, Spirit, right in the moment. And this is how you're going to manifest your wishes coming true in your life. What a beautiful message to come from this adorable deck. How cute. How cute. Thank you, loved one. I appreciate you. Super cute. Yeah. Total recommend. The Cat Tarot. I'm sorry I can't tell you the makers, but I can show you. That's them. Yeah. So, cute little addition for my collection. I love it. I love it. I've not always been a cat mom, but I have been given that task as a parting gift from my son, who transitioned into spirit, and I've been tasked with caring for his cat, who I believe is healing me on many different levels, as well as maintaining protection for my home in the absence of my son's physical presence. That's not to say my son's spiritual presence is not here, very, very much so, all the time, and he plays with his kitty too. So this may have been a divinely inspired gift. I wouldn't be one bit surprised. All right. Thank you guys again for watching. I always appreciate all of the support and interaction with the video. So please like the video, leave a little comment, even if it's an emoji. And hey, if you know somebody who likes cats or tarot, share it out.